Welcome everybody, it's Friday, July 21st. Ty Gaston here with your free daily video play of the day. Free daily videos coming up shortly, but before I get into that, the free daily videos are 13-5. The last 18 free daily videos. 25 wins and 8 losses the last 33. The special that I've got going on right now is my VIP club for $995 for football. My Code Zebra Club for $1,595 for football, and my Personal Players Club, my best plays from my scouts, $8,500 for the season of the football. Now, you can get either the VIP Code Zebra or Personal Players Clubs. All you got to do is pick up the phone and give me a call. The all-important number to call is 855-TY-GASTON. That's 855-894-2786. Or email me magicCostaRica@AOL.com. You got to call early. You got to get a space reserved because we can only hold so many people in each of our 3 clubs. First football game, 13 days. 13 days from today, Friday the 21st. First game is August 3rd, and it pits Cleveland against the New York Jets in the Hall of Fame game. Once again, VIP Club $995, Code Zebra Club $1,595, and Personal Players Club $8,500. You can bet a dime or more a game. The Personal Players Club is for you. You take care of $8,500 for the season, and I guarantee I'm going to make you $30,000 or more. Pick up the phone, give me a call. 855-TY-GASTON, 855-894-2786. Or email me magicCostaRica@AOL.com. Alright, your free daily video play of the day for Friday, July 21st is the Detroit Tigers with Olsen plus 140 over the San Diego Padres. Play Detroit at home with Olsen as the starting pitcher, and he's plus 140 over the San Diego Padres. Alright, back on Saturday with your next report. We'll see you at that time. Have a great day. Ciao.